All right, today I'm going to be making garlic ginger ramen noodles. All right, so what you're going to need are ramen noodles. I'm going to get started on this by opening up the package and getting this boiling really quick because it takes a little bit for it to boil and get. If I can just open up there. All right, once you open up the package, you're going to take out the block of ramen noodles. All right. Put it inside the boiling water, cook it until it's al dente, and you can eat some of the crunchies that are inside, and take the seasoning packet, and you're going to place that to the side, all right? All right, next you're going to need some soy sauce. You see this, you have right here, less sodium soy sauce. I'm on the healthier side today. And I have some sesame oil, okay? It's a product of Japan, okay? And I'm also going to need some garlic and ginger. This is both fresh garlic and both fresh ginger. All right, so I'm gonna flip the noodles a little bit and then wait for them to cook. And while they're cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and prep the garlic and ginger. So I have the garlic. I'm just gonna grate it a little bit in my grater. All right. So I grated my grater, you see all that? Got that, and then I'm gonna take some ginger, and I'm gonna grate some ginger as well too. Grate some ginger. It's gonna be a great meal. I'm having a great time. All right, so I grated some ginger and grated some garlic, excuse me. And I'm just gonna go ahead and set this to the side, okay? I'm gonna set that to the side, and while that's sitting to the side, I'm gonna go ahead and prep the pan. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn the pan on to medium high. And while the pan is on, I'm gonna take this pure sesame oil, which is a product of Japan, right? Product of Japan, remember we talked about that. And I'm going to put some sesame oil into the pan just like this. All right, just a little bit. And then once it's in the pan, I'm just gonna ring it all around the rosy. All right, make sure that it gets in the pan. Zoom a little bit out so you can see it. And while that's heating up, right, I'm just gonna check in on my ramen noodles and make sure that they're al dente, and they seem to be al dente right now. So this pan is heating up. I'm just gonna take the ramen noodles and I'm gonna strain it with my strainer right here, okay? I'm gonna make sure you wanna get all the oil because you don't want any splatteration going on once I put it in. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get the noodles right now. All right, and get the noodles from out the boiling water. They're al dente, all right? Got the noodles out of the water, and then I'm just gonna take the noodles and place them in the pan of sesame oil. So now we're frying. We are in business, all right? So now it is in there. I'm gonna take the ginger, and I'm going to place the ginger and garlic in there. I want it to fry with it. I'm gonna add a little bit more sesame oil to the pan. Get that garlic and ginger going, all right? A little bit more sesame oil to the pan, and then I'm going to let that fry rate that little bit and stir this up. Make sure that sesame oil gets all around. And break up the garlic. All right. Now to get some of the flavoration going around, I'm going to take some of the beef seasoning, and I'm just going to put half the packet in there. All right, and I'm gonna take a little bit of water out to the side. I'm just gonna toss it on top, and then toss the noodles a little bit. Oh man, I can smell the garlic. Oh man, it's smelling great. The garlic, break up the garlic and the ginger. Make sure that they get all around. Make sure you have some water. All right, toss those around. All right, I'm just gonna add a little bit of soy sauce, less sodium soy sauce. To there. Then once that's in there, the soy sauce, I'm just gonna toss this a little bit more. Let this toast one side. I'm gonna zoom in so you get a better look at this. Can you smell it through the screen? Look at all the texturation. Look at what's going on right here. And it's about done, okay? So I'm gonna take the ramen noodles and zoom out so you can see all the full scope of what's going on. I'm gonna turn off the fire and I'm gonna take the ramen noodles and I'm gonna serve it in a bowl like this. Look at that. Then you can either eat this with chopsticks or you can get a fork right here. Doesn't that look good? Doesn't that smell good? Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness.